Welcome to this guide on how to do trading in KuCoin, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. To get started, you need to create an account on the KuCoin platform, which can be done by providing basic information such as email address, password, and verification details. Once your account is created, you will need to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. After setting up your account, you will need to deposit funds into your KuCoin wallet. You can do this by clicking on the Assets tab and selecting the deposit option. You can deposit a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. Make sure to use the correct deposit address to avoid losing your funds. To start trading, navigate to the Markets tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. KuCoin offers a wide range of trading pairs, including spot, margin, and futures trading. You can use the TradingView chart to analyze market trends and make informed decisions. You can also set up price alerts and notifications to stay updated on market movements. When placing an order, you can choose from different types of orders, including limit, market, and stop limit orders. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell, while a market order executes the trade at the current market price. A stop limit order is used to limit your losses by setting a stop loss price. To manage your risk, it is essential to set a stop loss and take profit level. A stop loss order automatically sells your asset when it reaches a certain price, limiting your losses. A take profit order automatically sells your asset when it reaches a certain price, locking in your profits. KuCoin also offers a variety of trading tools, including margin trading, which allows you to borrow funds to increase your trading power. However, margin trading comes with higher risks, and you should only use it if you are experienced and understand the risks involved. In addition to trading, KuCoin also offers a staking platform, where you can earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies. The staking platform is easy to use and provides a low-risk way to earn passive income. To stay safe while trading on KuCoin, make sure to keep your account information and funds secure. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your computer and mobile devices secure. Also, be aware of phishing scams and never share your account information with anyone. In conclusion, trading on KuCoin can be a great way to invest in cryptocurrencies and earn profits. By following these steps and using the various trading tools and features offered by KuCoin, you can make informed decisions and manage your risk effectively. Always remember to stay safe and secure, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.